Introducing AutoWiz, the all-in-one connected car solution for your car. Simply plug the AutoWiz device into the OBD-II port of your car and view car data and insights in AutoWiz mobile app. With best-in-class live tracking, you can see the detailed path of a moving car and accurate speed. Also, get notified when the vehicle reaches or leaves a place. Be on top of your vehicle's health and fuel mileage. Get alerts for low battery and high coolant temperature, and get notified in case of any engine-related issues. To encourage safe driving, AutoWiz rates your driving behavior and alerts you in case of overspeeding, sudden braking, hard acceleration, and fatigue driving. With AutoWiz, protect your car by setting an anti-theft alarm in AutoWiz App. Get timely in-app reminders for insurance, servicing due, and insightful weekly usage summary. AutoWiz device comes with a full-featured app for Android and iOS. Every AutoWiz device includes a SIM card, and you also get 3 months subscription free of cost. Buy the AutoWiz device now.